That's correct.
Alright, we're going to try this again. Just as soon as I remember to do up the chin strap on my helmet. And we're going to see if we get good audio this time. I had it set to Bluetooth and voice isolation on my iPhone. So it wasn't picking up any of the engine noise, even though my setup should have been perfect. So I set it to wide spectrum and put it in the pillion. We're going to see if it sounds any better now. Or possibly it'll be unusable garbage like the footage was before it. God, I hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be pissed. Yay, more red lights! Yay! Well, that kid is wobbly as fuck. Watch where you're going, buddy! Don't wave at me, keep your eyes on the road! Oh, that's adorable. That kid is so unstable. Look at him go. That's the cutest thing ever. Oh, look at him zooming. Kid's fast as fuck, boy. Man, if I don't get good audio at least once from this... Now I'm worried that the microphone might be too sensitive if it's in the pillion. Like, my phone's recording audio right now in the pillion, and the exhaust is, like, right there, and it gets kind of loud. It's wrapped up in a sock and everything, like a big puffy wool sock, but... golly, I don't know, man. I hope it works. I'm very hopeful. That looked nice. Let me go, please. Hopefully that sounds good. God, I'll be so sad if it doesn't. So we're just gonna ride straight home. I'll cut the video off as I enter my neighborhood. But... yeah. Please let this sound good. If I can get this to sound good, like that's every setting possible that I needed, done. Or it sounds like hot garbage and I have to start over again. Either one. That concludes today's audio test. So if you like what you see, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of fun around here. And like the video if you want. And we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Shut up and sit down.